Is it really possible to retire in just 10 years? Not in 30, not in 40, but only 10.
Most people believe early retirement is nothing more than a fairy tale reserved for millionaires. But what if the answer isn't hidden on Wall Street? What if it's simply hidden in plain math?
The real question isn't whether it can be done. It's whether you're willing to understand the numbers and stay disciplined.
How much money would you need to invest every month to buy back your freedom in just 10 years?
Take your best guess in the comments. I respond to everyone who gets it right.
For decades, we've been told to work for 40 years before finally enjoying our lives.
The question is not whether it can be done. The real question is whether you're willing to understand the numbers, the trade-offs, and the discipline required. Here is where the mystery begins.
Because the figure most people imagine is usually far from the truth. Some think you need to invest tens of thousands every month.
Others think you need nothing more than a couple hundred. But the real answer lies in how money grows, how inflation eats into that growth, and how consistent you can be.
If you stay with me until the end, you will know the exact number down to the last dollar that can let you buy back your freedom in only 10 years.
I will reveal the exact figure later in this video. So, take a guess in the comments and let's start. I'll respond to everyone that gets right. Now, before we jump into the math, let's think about why this even feels so impossible. For decades, the story we have been told is simple. You work for 40 years. You save a little in your retirement account, and when you are too old to work, you finally get to live.
That story has been repeated so many times that it feels like the only path.
But ask yourself, is it really the only way? Or is it just the way that keeps you working the longest? Most people spend their entire lives working, saving, and paying bills without ever knowing the one number that could change their future. But what if you knew exactly how much money you truly needed to create a life where work becomes a choice, not a necessity? How much you need to invest, and the realistic path toward financial independence. This isn't about becoming a millionaire overnight. It's about building a future where your time, your choices, and your freedom belong to you. Stay connected, because the next lesson could completely change the way you think about money and retirement.